Oh, pretty tricky.
Okay, let's just try to stay in the swing.
I think you even trickied yourself.
Yeah, I think so too. I don't think you expected that. Well,
More push.
What's Mommy's face look like?
Don't lose that drool because it makes you chuckle.
Grandma thinks it's funny.
hi, baby.
Whoa.
Whee!
Wow.
Whee!
Say hi, Daddy.
You getting hungry?
Hi, Lachlan.
Say
Mommy, of course, is
Daddy.
constantly wanting lunch. Where's my coffee?
Happy
Give me
Easter.
food. I'm not really happy unless I'm eating.
Say happy
There's
Easter.
oysters.
I want seafood and oysters.
Happy Easter.
Good one, buddy.
Nice words, baby.
A bump on the bump. Boop. Look at Daddy. Yeah.
Nice. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Only a little rainy on Easter.
Push. Are you about done? Are you finished?
No. Again.
Well, I am.
Yeah, exactly. Dude.
Grandpa's getting tired. Ah!